hot as fuck out here. Track's a little greasy. Man, they call it no preps. I mean, I guess we'll just go out here. We'll run Outlaw Big Tire. See if we can't get us a fucking win this weekend. Hopefully get our hot rod back. We'll see.
Man,
fucking nothing. Sucks.
Adam does?
No, Adam don't.
Yes, he does.
No, we're just fighting the hell out of it. Makes us want to go sit in the corner, shit in our hands, rub it in our hair.
Well, you know, if you're ever wondering about how crazy I am, you can just look at my daughter. This is the kind of stuff that David's up against. So, obviously, it's genetic.
So, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost a stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the OG. I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings.
Had a bad weekend in Vegas, man.
Yeah, I heard everybody was having a bad time. We're ready to go home now.
Yeah. I'm the same way.
A pecker extender was too long or something.
Too low.
Oh,
Then
too
they
low,
said,
yeah.
Nate turned around and protested Robin, and his shit was wrong too.
Damn.
Better make sure your shit's right. You got to protest.
Yeah, that's right.